This is a nighttime test flight for DJI Neo. It is not advisable to fly your drone during nighttime, but it is a controlled environment, and I make sure that the path is safe to fly the unit. So I'm just testing the video quality and the features, built-in features of the drone. Although I didn't test all of them, I only tested the follow mode and the drone mode. The drone mode, you can see it on the first part of the video and in the last part. Here, I am doing the drone, and this one is the stationary and the follow mode. Fully autonomous. Once you set the settings, all you have to do is click start, and it will do its thing and record the video. So I think that's all for now. Thanks.